Hello guys, welcome to AKTV. Today we talk about Turkish famous actor Yağmur Tanrısevsin Biography, network, hobbies, relation and much more. Please forget subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and future updates. His birth name Yağmur Tanrısevsin, nickname Yağmur. Date of birth 24 August 1990. Present age 32 years old in 2022. Years active 2011 to present. Actress by profession. Birthplace Mersin, Turkey. Nationality Turkish. Religion Islam. Height 5 feet 7 inches. Weight 54 kilograms. Eye color dark brown. Hair color also dark brown. Ethnicity white. Body type slim. Zodiac sign Virgo. Marital status unmarried. Let's start the hobbies. She is animal lover. She likes listening music. She likes swimming. Let's start the social media fact. She's quite famous on Instagram, 3.3 million followers. Net worth $1.5 million approx.